You might just hear a crow in the background going crazy. Can't really help that. Shut up! Anyway, just wanted to do a quick little video showing the air intakes that come with the RHD ITB kits now. Well, they don't come with it. I mean, you've got to buy them separately if you want them. But yeah, so these are made by Rama Diaz in Sydney, Australia, and the company is called RHD, Racehead Engineering. Maybe that just should be RE for Racehead and Engineering, I don't know, but RHD, that's what he calls himself. So I'll just pull the cover off. You can see the carbon cover and the 4 studs. Use 2 hands. So underneath the carbon cover is an aluminium plate. That's what sort of gives it the strength. Put the cover down somewhere without breaking it. And I haven't got the air filter installed yet because I haven't ordered it, but it uses a K and N air filter. It's actually a round filter which you sort of squish into an oval shape, and it fits in this compartment here. And underneath this top plate, you can see the trumpets. So that's how the air filter assembly works. Yeah, that's basically it. So I've just got to buy the K and N air filter to fit in there, and then I'm good to go. So that just fits back on top. I think you'll see, if you look on Home Built by Jeff, his channel, he's got the same air filter. Now, he hasn't run his car yet, but what he did was he wanted to be able to see the trumpets when you lifted up the boot lid. So what he did was he carefully cut out a shape through here, and then what he did was he put some clear. He also cut the same shape out on the carbon cover, and then he put a clear Perspex piece underneath and siliconed it in. And if you go to his channel, you can see that. But I'm not going to do that because I don't want to cut that out, and I don't really feel the need to see the trumpets. I know they're there, so I'm pretty happy with that. But yeah, so that's the air cleaners, or the air cleaner assembly.